All right, in this video, we are going to solve an exponential equation involving the natural exponential function e to the x. Okay. All right, so here's our equation, and once again, what we are going to do is to use, right, the conversion between the logarithmic form y equals log base b of x, right, and the exponential form, which is b to the y equals x. Okay. So this is an exponential form, right? Actually, right, it's similar to this. It's actually not in exactly the exponential form, right? The exact exponential form is this form over here, b to the y equals x, right? And so you can see one of the things here is that I have this 5 that is with the base. And you can see in this format, there is no number here, right? It's not like a times b to the y equals x. It's just some base to some exponent equals x. And that is not exactly what we have. We have the base, we have the exponent, but we also have this number kind of hanging around out front. We don't really want that there, okay? We want it to match this exactly. So we can just nice and easy switch it over to this format, okay? So, but that's an easy fix in this case, right? The easy fix is just go ahead and divide both sides by 5 first, all right? And so these two 5s are going to cancel each other out. And then just leave me with e to the 4x over on that side. And on the right side, I'll have 17/5. Okay. So now you can see I am exactly in this format right here. This is exactly the exponential format, b to the y equals x. So I'm just going to switch right on over, right, to the logarithmic form. So in the logarithmic form, right, it's going to be log base b, right, where b is the base of the exponential function. So it's going to be log base e, right, and log base e is the natural log. So I'm just going to write that as ln of something, right. Next up, right, the exponent in the exponential form goes by itself on the other side of the equal sign from the log over in the logarithmic form. So in this case, that is 4x, right? So that is going to go over here. All right, and then the expression on the other side of the equal sign from the exponential equation, or the exponential function in the exponential form, is going to go inside the log, right? In that case, that's this 17/5, right? So it's going to go right here in there. All right, and so now what I'm going to do is add or subtract from both sides to get every x term by itself on one side and every non-x term on the other side, and that's already done, so there's nothing to do here with that. And then finally, in this case, I can just divide both sides by 4 to get x by itself. All right, and there we go. We have solved for x. In this problem, we don't have any issues. If you need a decimal approximation, you can just punch that straight in your calculator because your calculator has the ln key, and that is nice and convenient. So natural log of 17/5 divided by 4. And I get 0.3059 to 4 decimal places. All right, that is it.